As you can see on the screen, property location. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to visit, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you may subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.